Portfolios. Right now we're about to I wanted to just use logo to show us how to recreate on Canva templates, and then let every other person figure out the rest. Then we'll do ebook and move on to monetization. All right. But someone specifically asked about certificate, and I cannot ignore that. I want to give you guys everything you ever want. The best. You deserve the best. All right. So we want to see how to recreate certificate on the Canva template. Yeah, that's why we're here. And yes, do we have certificate here on Canva? Yes, all you have to do is go to the search button up there and type certificate. All right. So once you've typed, you click on your search button and allow Canva to do the rest. Sometimes the network could be freaky, but you just have to wait. So guys, here we are. All these are certificates. We have the free ones, we have the paid ones. If you're subscribed to Canva, that you have Canva Pro, you have access to everything. If you're not subscribed, there are beautiful ones as well that you can use. So once you've learned how to do this, your assignment will be to design a template, a certificate rather, for Portfolio 9, okay? On the name of your brand, all right? Your brand, your business, whatever it is you stand for, your services, whatever it is you stand for should give Portfolio 9 a certificate. That will be you designing it on behalf of you, your brand. You'll be giving Portfolio 9 a certificate based on how you perceive Portfolio 9. Okay? Yeah, I want all this to be ready by. Can we just do this by Monday and just fill the community with our designs? It's possible, right? I know you guys can do it. Especially this one is so simple, so simple. Okay, guys. So let's assume you don't want to choose from here, but we'll have beautiful designs from here. We'll see fine designs. Yeah. So let's assume you don't want to choose from here, just as we did with our flyer and logo. Click on create blank. Once you click on create blank, wait for Canva to do the rest. Okay, it's coming. Once you're working on Canva, you must put on your patient jacket, especially if it's not in the middle of the night. You must wear your patient jacket because most times the network can be so messy, man. Sometimes if you're not patient, it might freak you out. You get? So right here we'll have beautiful templates. If you want to design from scratch, you have your elements to start designing, you have your text, you have your gallery, just as you have in the flyer. Okay, they are all the same. Recreating is quite easy than creating from scratch. Okay, so all you have to do is just choose one and then recreate. I love black and gold. Okay, so all you have to do is choose one, and look at these beautiful ones, more like this. Oh God. So we'll have something like this, and then what you have to do first is make sure this one says certificate of appreciation. This certificate award to, that's the name of whoever it is awarded to. This certificate is awarded for outstanding results and blah 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 blah. Yes. So but look at what you have to learn. Okay, let's assume it is your brand giving this certificate. First of all, it has to carry your logo. Let's assume this is Portfolio 9 giving it has to carry Portfolio 9 logo first. So I'm using circle just as we've always done. you have to place your logo. So I'll go to text and bring in text from heading, and then write my 9 and change the color to black. And then place it right here. I'll use my nudge button to position it well. My nudge button is the last button before the 3 dots, okay? The last button at the down, you pass your edit first, pass font second, pass the text styles, pass the font size. That's about which position? 1, 2, 3. Font size is the 4th, color is the 5th, format is the 6th, spacing is the 7th, effect is the 8th, animate. Once you click on this animate here, everything will start moving. You're creating video then. So transparency, then layers, then position, and then you see the nudge button. This nudge button is the last before you see the 3 dots where they write more. Okay, so you click on it and then try to position your letter right. Okay, so according to me, this is beautiful, well positioned. All right, so this shows you the people doing this. So the next thing you can also do is just a tiny way. Let's copy this one instead of going to get another. Just put the name of that brand. Okay, put their name. Since this write-up is using, who can tell me the alignment this write-up is using? Center alignment. It's called center alignment. Okay, so since this write-up is using center alignment, you just still use your center. Don't go and place by the corner, or don't do right or left alignment when you see that this pattern is center alignment. So you just have to now go to edit and write the name of your brand, portfolio 9 community. Okay, so certificate of anything, whatever. So when it comes to your signature, you can actually scan your signature. You can actually, once you click on these ones, you can now rebrand, rewrite it to what will befit you. Okay, message in there. You can also decide to change the font. If the font that is right there, you don't like it, or it doesn't match with what you're doing, or it's not your pattern of font, you can decide to change it. All right, you can decide to change it. Okay, so you can decide to change the font. Then when it comes to signature, you can easily write your signature, scan it. These days we also have apps you can use in scanning on your mobile phone. Scan it, remove the background, and once you upload it on any certificate through your gallery on Canva, you will not have to always go to upload to get it. It will be there, all right, permanently. But in case you don't want to use it, another thing you can do is let's go to text. I want to show you something. I've not shown you this before, so let me show you with this opportunity. If you look at the top, here, where you see the red ink, yeah, you can see that there is another search there. Okay, so all you have to do is type what you want, any kind of font you're looking for. You type it and you get it. But for you to get all these script fonts, if you type calligraphy, you will get them. So calligraphy, you search, you see all manner of script fonts. You see them, all manner of script fonts, all manner. So you can decide to choose script font instead to do your signature. All right, yeah, some people do it. You bring it down here and then increase the size. That's the most important thing you will do. No need of changing the font again. You've chosen font already from search. So all you now have to do is, I have to change this one's color as well to gold. Let's see, a very bright gold. Okay, so we go to edit and now write Mercy Chineye. So as you can see, it's more like signature. I can decide to also look for another one. You can decide to use your initial and it will appear like this. There are different scripts right there that look more like signature. Let's delete this one, and I want to show you a particular one, and so that you can understand what I mean. Yeah, I don't want you guys making any kind of mistake. Okay, let me show you another way you can go for it. Click on font here without going back there. Once you click on font, you will see try calligraphy. Now, this is another place where you can search. You can search any font you're looking for on that search button. So, yes, we're trying calligraphy again so that we can get, we'll have to type it. You have to type it. Calligraphy, then you search. It will give you access to so many, all right, so many signature fonts that you can actually use, okay, without your name. This is the particular one I wanted to show you. This one is more like signature, all right, that you can actually use without, that's in case you don't want to upload your signature. Okay, so in case the write-up didn't suit what you're about to do, you know what to do now. You click on the write-up and rewrite it to what befits what you want to use it for. And here we have Portfolio 9 Community Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate is the award to. This is supposed to be awarded to. So you correct all of that. We don't want grammatical blunders, right? So that's why you are recreating now. You correct all of that. Is awarded to, yeah, so the name of the person, what the person has done. So I said your assignment will be to create not this particular template, so don't use this particular one I'm using. Look for a very fine one that befits Portfolio 9. Put your brand name and give Portfolio 9 is an award. An award, yes. Anything you perceive them, if you think they are the best, whatever, just give Portfolio 9 award. Let our award fill the community tomorrow. Yes, what we will now have three things that is going to the community: our logo, our ice cream flyer, our award. Don't let your own miss out. Each post will carry three of your designs. We want to show people what we've been doing for the past 1 week. We want to show people that these people are designers. Don't go and design anything and expect me to allow you. I don't want to kill your career. Do you understand? do something beautiful. Unleash your creativity. You're creative, oh, but you don't know yet. But by the time you just sit down, begin to think, how do I do this thing? That it will be better than Messi own. You'll be surprised where it's flowing from. You see what you would do. Just keep trying. And once you do, you look at it, criticize it by yourself. Go back again, do another one. Do the one that is more beautiful than the previous one. Don't let your second trial be more worse than the previous. It's not right now. Yes. So this is it. You know where to click now. Let me show you. I already showed us before. I won't keep showing us. I believe that by now you already know that you have to click here to download your design, right? I already show us all of that. So you just click and you download. So you just click and then you do what? You download your design. All right? So once you download, your design will be in your gallery. That's it, my people. Practice, practice, practice. Please, bring in award for Portfolio 9. Let us go and give it. Will give Chief joy. Yes. So however you perceive the community, want to see it in your design tomorrow. Okay, start sending in this evening. It's best you start, because some people have busy days. Me, I'm staying in the east. Monday is like our public holiday. We stay at home. I'll have all the time. But you might not have all the time because of work. All right, so do it tonight. Make sure that before tomorrow morning your own is already there, so you'll be awaiting whether you are among the. In fact, you shouldn't be awaiting. You should do something that is outstanding, that you'll be so sure that yes, I will be posting tomorrow. Gather all your design, your 3 designs. Look at it like, if you are not a graphic designer and you see somebody that did this thing you want to post on the community, will you want the person to do a job for you? That should be your standard. Yes, that should be your standard. So get the 3 ready. Your logo, that's logo that you're designing on Canva for Portfolio 9, your ice cream flyer, and your certificate. All right? Let's go, guys. I know you guys can, and I'm proud of you. You all are doing well. I love you guys. Bye for now.